Hello everyone, welcome back once again to my YouTube channel Teach Me Cloud. Guys, I am Manjeet Rawat, your online instructor. So this is another video based on Mac operating system, and in this video I'm planning to describe you how you can share your data between Windows operating system to Mac OS. So this is our agenda. We'll try to understand about the entire step, how we can share the data between two different operating systems. So let's start our practical. But guys, before start the practical, if you're new on my YouTube channel, if you're watching my video first time, so you can subscribe my channel, because once you subscribe you will be able to find a multiple technology based video series from my YouTube playlist. So let's start our practical. I'm just going to show you about my setup, how you can do the live practical of data sharing between two different operating system. So I have already installed one Windows operating system, Windows 10 operating system in my another laptop, and right now we have a two different machine. This is our Windows 10 operating system and another is Mac operating system. So what I'm planning, both machines are connected to each other with the help of same Wi-Fi connection. This is our Windows 10 operating system and another is our Mac OS, right? And both are connected with same Wi-Fi router. So it means that both are getting the same types of IP address. So first of all, we need to check the IP address of our both machines. Okay, done. So I'm just going to take the RDP of our Windows 10 operating system. Done. We successfully connected our Windows 10 operating system, those Windows 10 operating system running on another machine. So first of all, we need to check the IP address, open CMD and type ipconfig. Right, press enter, and we're talking about the IP address. So it's a 192.168.0.118. This is the IP address of our Windows OS. So I'm just going to write here. It's a 192.168.118. And second, we need to also verify the IP address of our Mac operating system. So just open the terminal, type ifconfig, not ipconfig, ifconfig, press enter. And you need to find your existing your IP address of Mac operating system. So I need to check it because it connected with multiple adapters. So that's why, because I have already installed the VMware Fusion on our Mac operating system. So that's why we need to find it. Yep, this is our Mac operating system IP address. It's a 192.168.0.104, and now you need to make a connection between each other. Just only for the verification, I'm going to type the IP address of our Mac OS. It's 104 and just press enter, and both are machine to communicating each other. Windows 10 is successfully communicating with Mac operating system. Meanwhile, I'm going to check the connection from Mac to our Windows 10 operating system. So we know that our Windows 10 operating system IP address is 192.168.0.118. Just ping and press enter. Yes, both machines are communicating to each other, and now just try to understand about how you can transfer data between each other. So first of all, I'm going to open our Windows 10 operating system. So guys, this is our Windows 10 operating system, and in the Windows 10 operating system I'm going to create a one folder with name of share. Okay, and open the folder and type here like I'm going to write some text. Okay, so this is test file. Okay, so test file is available on our Windows operating system. This is test file. Save it. Okay, close, and right click on your folder that you want to share with your Mac operating system. Go to the properties, click sharing, go to the advanced sharing, and click on share this folder. Click on permission again and just allow the full control. Okay, apply and okay again. Just click close. So now you successfully shared your folder that you created with name of share. So now I'm going to open my Mac operating system and try to access our folder from Windows 10 operating system. So guys, this is our Mac OS, and you just need to open your desktop, and you need to click on the go button which is available on the top of our screen. Click on go and see connect to the server. You need to click on the connect to the server, and here you need to type the IP address of your machine where you share your data. Uh, Here you just need to type the IP address of your Windows 10 operating system 192.168.1.0.118. This is the IP address of your Windows 10 OS. You need to type here and click connect. Here you need to provide the user ID and password of your Windows 10 operating system. So it's a administrator and password that you configure on your Windows 10 operating system. Just type the password and click connect. Fine, we successfully connected our Windows 10 operating system. This is our folder that we created. You just need to copy the folder and paste. Just open your folder and see, this is the text file that you created. You just need to copy it and paste on your desktop, Mac operating system desktop. Done. We successfully copy it. If you want to open it here, just double click. Yes, this is test file. So you can share your text file, you can share your document, PDF, MP3, videos, any kind of file you can share from your Windows 10 operating system to Mac OS. So guys, I hope you understand about the step how you can configure a setup to share data between Windows operating system to Mac OS. So please let me know if you have any question or doubt. You can drop a comment. Definitely will try to reach your comment and try to resolve your problem as well. So take care and bye bye. We'll meet soon with another video based on the Mac operating system. Take care, guys.